In this guide, I'm going to explain what works and what doesn't with the Google Play Store on a Firestick. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The Google Play Store itself is not officially supported. Firesticks run on Fire OS, which uses the Amazon App Store and Amazon services instead of Google Play. Unofficial Play Store installations may fail to open, sign in, download apps, or continue working after a Fire OS update. But what does work is installing compatible apps individually. From the Fire TV home screen, you can go over to the search bar up in the top and search for whatever app you want and install it from the Amazon App Store. But for an unavailable app, what you want to do instead is search for downloader, and then install this app right here. Once it's installed, you can go ahead and open your Fire TV settings, then select My Fire TV and choose Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps and make sure Downloader here is turned on. Keep in mind, if Developer Options doesn't show up, go to the About tab here and select your Fire TV and press the select button on it 7 times really fast and Developer Options will be enabled. But once that's turned on for Downloader, go ahead and open Downloader and install the app's APK from a trusted source. Apps designed for Android TV and apps that do not require Google Play services may work. Phone-only apps, touchscreen apps, Google-dependent apps, and apps requiring Play Store licensing or billing may not work correctly. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.